have surpassed the landslide and we are now passing through Banaue. The camera cannot capture whatever I see. Amazing down there. It's blocked by the pine trees. The roads are quite good here. It's only that it's so snaky that you might get distracted by the very, very awesome view. So that's probably the reason why some vehicles, cars, buses falling off the cliff. But if you are pretty much attentive, the road is not that bad. Oh, and the sunset on the ridge. So driving through the rice terraces. Even the vegetation is just so amazing to me, and the forest is so lush, it's so green. Just look at that. Just look at that. Amazing. It's so amazing. Amazing sunset. I don't know what mountain is that, but it's just amazing. I want to shout in this bus just to show my appreciation of nature, God's creation. Just so amazing. What if people see this every day and just stop and pause and appreciate and gasp at nature's beauty? Whoa, what a turn. I know the camera cannot ever capture the beauty. It's this one little strip of road that is quite tricky, and there's a road work going on right here, but it's just a short strip. That could be another landslide, and they're doing something about it. Look at that. This is our stopover at Mount Polis. It's pretty cool. I mean, pretty cold up here. This is a mountaintop province. I'm on our third stopover here at Pura Carla. The other stopover was at Bambang Nueva Vizcaya, and I bought a bowl of arroz caldo, something hot, because my stomach had been twisting and turning, and I'm threatening to puke, which I'm just trying to control. I don't feel like eating, I feel like throwing up. Still a long way to go. Manila, here I come. Do I look like the girl with the pearl earring? Our bus has a change of two drivers. One is Igorot. He specialized in highland driving, while the second driver is from the lowland. He specialized in overtaking and speeding. We've arrived. We are now in Cubao, 3 o'clock in the morning. I'm so sleepy. This is John Navart. See you again in our next video. Bye for now.